Number 51 in your classwork for analytic geometry asks if one line passes through the points 5, 2 and 7, 6, and we have a perpendicular line that passes through point 3, 4, what is another point that would lie on the second line? So over to the right, I drew our little graph here representing the scenario. So we have a segment formed by 5, 2 and 7, 6. So this is point 5, 2, and this is 7, 6. We also have a perpendicular line that passes through the point 3, 4. So at 3, 4, so 3, 4, which would be somewhere over here, we have a line that forms a right angle with the original line segment. So it would come extending like this. So in order to find another point that would lie on this second line, first of all, we need to find an equation of this second line. So we need 1 to find the slope and 2 to find the y-intercept. Or if we put it into point slope form, so we would have y minus y naught is equal to our slope m times x minus x naught, and where y naught and x naught is this point 3, 4, then it makes our life much easier because we only need to find the slope. So to find the slope, that would be the opposite reciprocal of the slope that we find from these 2 points. So first, let's find that slope. So that m of the line segment would be 6 minus 2 over 7 minus 5, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. So the slope that we're looking for, which would be of the perpendicular line, so m2, would be the opposite reciprocal of this. So that would be negative 1 over 2. And plugging this into our point slope form to give us a formula for the equation of the line. So that would be y minus y naught, which is 4, is equal to m, which is negative 1/2, times x minus x naught is 3. So we have y is minus 4 is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3 halves. Adding 4 to both sides of the equation, we have y equals negative 1/2 x plus, so 4 can be changed to 8 over 2. So adding 8 over 2 would give us 11 halves. Now, we have the equation of the line y, and in this scenario we have actually infinitely many points that would lie on the second line. I can choose any random x value that I want to give me another y that would also satisfy a point on this line. So let's just go ahead and choose a random point. I'll choose x at x equals 1. So at x equals 1, y would be negative 1/2 times x plus 11 halves. So this would be negative 1/2 plus 11 halves, which would be 10 over 2, which would give me 5. So another point that could satisfy this would be 1, 5.